3 minutes. Oh, nakita na kami ni
Yes.
Sis Tita
Window lang,
Ani.
window shopping. Hi, may galang shoutout. Happy ako nakita ko na ang ating sis.
Oh, di ba? Bira lang kaming, bira ako mag-off, pero
Tsaka,
inano ko na to.
busy.
Ayan, thank you. Thank you, Tita Ani, Sisi.
Sometimes seeing eyes of mine. Love, love, love. I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, wrong, wrong. But I'll try to fix it. Love, love, love. I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, wrong, wrong. But I'll change it, change it.
Hi, Sir Mark. Ayan na kami. Ang gaganda namin kasi ang ganda kami nito. Pure white, pure heart. So, pagaling ikaw ha. We love you. God bless you. So, get well soon. Ayan. So, kita-kits sa ating whitey world. God bless. Ingat lagi dyan. O, ayan. Nagwi-window.
Get well soon.
Window lang kami. Window shops. Ayan. Ang Hong Kong Mall. Ingat. Thank you lagi ha. So, see you around.